Welcome to Science Synthesis. I am Edley Eze. Today we shall be forming a smoke waterfall using a plain paper, a matchbox and a pencil. It's a mind-blowing experiment that you too can try at home. Stay with me as we enjoy ourselves in the world of science. Thank you. All you need for this experiment is a glass cup, your scissors, lighter or matches, pencil, and then plain paper. So the first step is to fold the plain paper with the pencil around it. It's a guide. So that's what we have. So you place your glass cup and project it at 45 degrees. So we've got that. So we'll now light it up. Hold the light until the paper draws it up. So observe the bottom of the paper. That's the fountain forming. So you can see it will continue till the paper burns out. So that's it.